Hello, this is Pauline from NewTA. Today, in this video, we will see how to send your meeting or interview notes directly to your Notion. So first of all, let's see how to connect your Notion to your Nuta account. It's very simple. Just go to the integration section and simply click on the Activate button. When you simply activate it, we will ask you to select the pages where you want to send your notes. You select pages. In this case, I would like to send it to marketing and I grant access. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Your integration is connected. This integration is customizable, meaning you can define how you want to send your notes. Do you want to attach a private or public link? And do you want to add the summary? Once you have configured your Notion, just click on Save. We just saw how to set up Nuta in advance so that your notes are sent directly to Notion. But you also have the option to easily send your notes once your meeting is completed and from the meeting recap. To do this, it's very simple. You just need to click right here on the Share button and then select Notion. I select my Notion, agree to attach the summary and the link, and then my notes will be sent there automatically. As you can see, I go to my marketing page as I configured beforehand, I click on my notes, and I automatically get my meeting report on my Notion page. And there you have it. You now know how to connect your Notion integration to Nuta to automatically send your meeting reports. If you have any other questions, once again, don't hesitate to contact our support, and I will see you very soon for the next video. Goodbye.